What we didn't know until it was too late. Leon and I believed we had good jobs, we were good employees, we were good people, and still stuff happened to us because we were brought up that if you're an employee, you give 110%. You rely on that one paycheck. You're grateful that you have a job. Until we were both laid off, we were put on early retirement, and we didn't have a backup plan because we thought our pension was our backup plan. And it turned out that it wasn't nearly enough to survive on. We still had to cover all our bills. So we had to make a really quick plan. And that's why I want to encourage you today to start your passive income so that you can create a backup plan in the event of you losing your job or having an emergency of some sort, so that you've got a nest egg. Don't believe everything everybody tells you. Jobs are not secure. We've experienced that twice firsthand. If you're interested to learn more about the program we're following that's now given us our lives and our time back, put time in the comments and I'd love to share with you.